Determine the possible values of x given this equation here. So this is multiplication here to equal 0, and so I can really split this up and say, when does this give me 0, and when does this give me 0? And then solve those individually to find my possible values of x. So looks like I'm going to get multiple different answers, and not quite sure how many. But when we're going through this here, I'm going to kind of solve them individually first. So in this one here, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, then divide by -4 on both sides, and then take the square root of both sides. So I end up getting sine of x equals the square root of 1, which is 1, over the square root of 4, which is 2, and then make sure that I get the plus or minus in there, because whenever I take the square root, I have to get both the positive and negative values. And so with that, I can go ahead and use the unit circle to help me find my answers between 0 and 2 pi. So that's the short sides of the triangles here, 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 and here. And those angle measures are pi over 6. Then the second one here is 5 pi over 6. Then the third one is 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. And because it says all possible values, or doesn't tell us between 0 and 2 pi, I need to make sure to add 2 pi n to all of these to represent that any of the coterminal angles work as well. I can add 2 pi as many times as I want. Now the other problem here, I got to still solve this one as well. And this one here, cosine of x is the x value. So on the unit circle, there's 2 spots where the x value is 0. And those angles are pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. And then I also need to add 2 pi n to those. So lots of different possible answers here, but I have to kind of solve them individually. And then since it says all possible values, I'm going to add 2 pi n to each of those angle measures.